Tracy, and in this video presentation, we will cover topic requirement for successful total quality management implementation. So total quality management, or we call it as TQM, is an idea that helps organizations make their product and service better. It focuses on understanding how different parts of work process function, measuring results, and knowing the roles of both internal and external customer or supplier. In simple words, TQM means doing the right thing correctly from the beginning. It also means trying to improve every day and making sure customers are always satisfied. When we follow TQM, we try to complete tasks or produce product without mistake from the start. This is important because when mistakes happen, we need to redo the work, and that wastes time, energy, and also money. By doing this thing correctly, the first time we can work faster and more efficiently. It also helps the organization avoid unnecessary problems and maintain good quality. Bowen and Dean explained that TQM has changed and grown over time. At the beginning, TQM focused mainly on controlling work processes using statistics. This means checking number, data, and result to see if something is wrong. However, today TQM includes many different methods. It uses technical tools such as a new technology, improved machine, and better system. These tools have made work easier and more accurate. TQM also uses behavioral methods such as improving employee motivation, encouraging teamwork, and developing positive work culture. When employees feel motivated and work well together, the organization becomes stronger and more productive. By combining these technical and behavioral methods, TQM helps organizations work more effectively. It does not only focus on number, it also focuses on people. So this balance improves both the work process and the final result. As a result, the organization can achieve higher performance, better quality, and greater customer satisfaction.
Total quality management is a management approach that focuses on improving the quality of product, services, and process through continuous improvement and the involvement of all employees into the competitive environment. TQM plays an important role in helping organizations achieve a long-term success. One of the main reasons is TQM is important. It is focused on customer satisfaction. By understanding and meeting customer expectations, organization can build loyalty and create a strong reputation in the market. Satisfied customers are more likely to retain and recommend the organization to others. TQM also emphasizes continuous improvement, which encourages organization to constantly review and enhance the processes. This helps reduce errors, minimize waste, and increase overall efficiency. The culture of continuous improvement also makes the organization more adaptable to changes and better prepared for future challenges. Another key aspect of TQM is employee involvement. Employees are encouraged to contribute ideas, take responsibility, and work together to solve problems. This is not only improve the quality of work, but also increase motivation and engagement among staff. Additionally, TQM leads to cost reduction by identifying inefficiencies and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Fewer mistakes and improved processes result in lower operational costs and make higher profitability. Finally, TQM provides a strong competitive advantage. Organizations that deliver high-quality products and services stand out from competitors and attract more customers. A commitment to quality strengthens an organization's position in the market and helps to build a long-term success. So TQM is important because these benefits make TQM a valuable strategy for organizations seeking to improve performance and achieve sustainable growth.
When we talk about the success in any organizations, one word keep coming up, which is quality. Quality is not just checking boxes or fixing mistakes, but it's also build a culture which is between the top management to the frontline staff, where we can work together to make things better for the organization. So in this report, we will present three main objectives, which is to clarify the concept of the TQM. Objective is to identify the main requirement to attain a great success by implementing TQM in organization. Objective is to identify the benefit that we can get by implementing this TQM in organization.
Total quality management (TQM) is a management approach focused on improving product quality, reducing costs, and meeting the expectations both customers and employees. It is a key element of Kaizen and relies on core principles such as the PDCA cycle, Plan, Do, Check, Act, ISO standards, customer focus, staff involvement, and continuous improvement. These principles help organizations enhance productivity and ensure long-term customer satisfaction. So this is the concept of TQM, which is Kaizen and PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act. Kaizen is a Japanese term meaning continuous improvement, and it involves everyone in an organization, from managers to frontline workers. When practiced correctly, Kaizen helps create a better workplace by reducing unnecessary effort, encouraging small experiments, and eliminating waste. According to Imai, Kaizen is essential for building a culture of continuous learning within TQM. Successful Kaizen requires strong leadership support. Improvement goals usually start with top management and flow down through the organization. Leaders are responsible for making decisions and supporting the investments needed for improvement, as highlighted in Kaizen and total quality management. Kaizen works both as an action plan and a philosophy. As an action plan, staff collaborate to identify problems, test small change, and standardize solutions. As a philosophy, it encourages everyone to constantly look for ways to improve their work. Kaizen also links closely with the PDCA, which provides a structured method for ongoing improvement. For Kaizen to be effective, organizations must first build strong foundations like stable work standards. The PDCA cycle consists of 4 steps. Plan is where we identify improvement opportunities and prepare a strategy. Do involves testing the plan on a small scale. In the check stage, we evaluate the results to see if the change worked. Finally, act means adjusting the plan and applying successful change more widely. The PDCA cycle, also known as the Deming or Schuhart cycle, was developed in the 1930s. It was first used mainly for product quality control, but over time it became an important method for improving organizational processes. Sometimes additional quality tools are used alongside PDCA to help analyze problems and plan actions. PDCA encourages small, steady improvements, allowing teams to test ideas quickly and refine them step by step. However, it is not suitable when immediate answers are needed because the cycle requires time for testing and evaluation. PDCA works best in process improvement efforts, especially in TQM and Six Sigma.
So coming to the main sessions, there are lots of implementations that we can use in TQM, but there will be 3 main points that we will discuss. First is strategic planning and policy. Second is adequate resources optimizations, and third is deployment and continual improvement. Next is strategic planning and policy. Strategic planning and policy is translating into the organization's vision and mission into actionable long-term goals. When the processes and procedures reflect the daily vision, missions, and plan, it's ensured that daily operations are aligned with the strategy priority. While publicizing is referred to communications, the vision, missions, and the values are clearly across the organizations and external stakeholders. By embedding this process, the organization is not only practicing them internally, but also demonstrating them to the processes. Optimizations is a one of organizational excellence is make sure that we use our resources wisely. That means 3 things, which is time, talent, and tools. When these are managed optimally, we can avoid waste and maximize the product. But it's not just about efficiency, but it's also about the empowerment. Every team member should feel that their work is directly connected to the organization's objective. When we see the alignment, they become more motivated and committed. Therefore, the synergy is what sustains a long-term success because the organizations move forward as one unified body rather than the separate. First, ensure suppliers will establish quality standards. TQM requires organizations to adopt recognized standards ISO industry benchmark to guarantee the consistency and reliability. Compliance is the foundation. Without it, continuous improvement cannot be measured or sustained. Promote continuous enhancement of process and outcome. Continuous improvement Kaizen is a core principle of TQM. It means the organizations don't stop at meeting standards, they keep refining processes, reducing waste, and improve customer satisfaction. The third one is fostering accountability and transparency across operations. TQM emphasizes that employment involvement and shared responsibility. Accountability ensure that everyone owns the quality of their work, with transparency build the trust internally and externally. This aligns with TQM requirement for a culture where the quality is everyone's responsibility.
TQM is used in public hospitals to improve service quality, patient satisfaction, and overall efficiency. The MOH applies key TQM elements such as continuous improvement, strategic planning, quality assurance, customer focus, cross-department collaboration, and ongoing staff training. These efforts help the healthcare system manage increasing patient demands, competition, and the need to reduce waste. Implementation in public hospitals usually starts with a strong leadership commitment. Hospitals assess current processes, set clear quality goals, and carry out improvement initiatives supported by continuous training. The PDCA Cycle Plan Do Check Act is used to monitor and enhance processes, often measured through patient satisfaction and complaint data. However, the MOH also faced challenges such as low awareness of TQM among some staff, limited resources, resistance to change, and inconsistent leadership support. Despite these, effective TQM has produced major benefits, including better patient care, reduced waste, higher operational efficiency, and stronger quality-focused culture. Overall, the MOH approach is consistent with global TQM frameworks and shows both the advantages and the challenges of employing TQM in public health.
Proton, as Malaysia's national automotive manufacturer, has shown a long-term dedication to TQM. This commitment became even stronger after Proton was acquired by Zhejiang Geely Holding Group, which introduced modern technology and international quality practices. Proton's approaches include the implementation of the ISO 9001 system, regular internal audits, and intensive staff training to build a quality based on work culture. They also introduced the Proton Quality Assurance Framework and the Operational Excellence Initiative to ensure every production process and after-sales service meet high standards. For example, in 2024, Proton reported a 55% decrease in GCP antivirus scores and a 44% increase in product reliability compared to 2019. These achievements reflect the consistent application of TQM principles. Customer feedback is also emphasized as the foundation for continuous improvement, aligning with TQM principle of customer focus and employee involvement. The impact of these practices is not only improved product quality but also a stronger regional brand reputation. With the ambition to become the number one automotive manufacturer in Malaysia and the third in Asia, Proton has made quality its key differentiator, proving that structured and comprehensive TQM implementation can drive organizational transformation and sustainable performance.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Aisha binti Razmi. So today I will explain about the common problems in total quality management, or known as TQM. TQM is designed to improve an organization's performance through continuous improvement and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. However, in many organizations, TQM does not achieve its full potential because of several internal challenges. So, the first common problem in TQM is the lack of management commitment. TQM requires strong leadership support because employees usually follows the attitude and behavior shown by the top management. When leaders do not actively participate in quality activities, it sends a message that TQM is not a priority. This leads to low motivation among employees and causes quality initiatives to lose momentum over time. And also, some managers only support TQM on the surface because they do not provide the resources, guidance, or time needed to make improvements in the management. Without genuine commitment, organizations struggle to maintain consistency and long-term progress in their quality efforts. The second problem is poor planning in the management. Many organizations rush into TQM without setting clear objectives, proper timelines, or measurable indicators. As a result, improvement activities become unorganized and confusing for the employees. When planning is weak, staff do not fully understand their roles and tasks are carried out without proper coordination. Poor planning also causes TQM goals to become misaligned with the organization's overall strategy, which reduces the effectiveness of the whole program. Over time, this can create frustration, low morale, and make employees feel that TQM is just another short-term project instead of a long-term commitment. But it is normal to face the obstacles or challenges to get a perfect result because it is not easy. But obviously, there's any suggestions to maintain the perfect and improve the management commitment. So, the strategy to improve management commitment is organization should focus on improving leadership involvement, training, and recognition systems in the TQM. Leaders need to integrate quality goals into strategic plans so that quality becomes part of the organization's direction, not just an optional activity. Providing leadership training also helps managers understand their roles in supporting continuous improvement and making informed decisions. Other than that, mentoring, communications, and regular engagement with employees also build stronger trust and encourage a quality-focused culture. In addition, reward and recognition programs lead to quality achievement, such as customer satisfaction or innovation, that motivate both leaders and employees to stay committed. So when management takes an active role, total quality management becomes more effective and sustainable. Thank you.
In strengthening the implementation of TQM, the SMART approach has been recognized as a very effective method for setting clear, systematic, and result-oriented quality objectives. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and each element plays a vital role in ensuring that goals are practical and understood by everyone in the organization. In Malaysia, especially among small and medium enterprise, the use of SMART principles is gaining attention, but there are still challenges. Many organizations set goals that are too generous, such as improving quality without clear indicators, making it difficult to measure progress. A lack of staff involvement in goal setting and weak monitoring systems also reduce effectiveness, as goals are often abandoned without regular reviews. To overcome this, organizations are encouraged to adopt monthly review schedule, use performance dashboards, and ensure systematic data collection through ERP systems and staff training. Another common issue is setting goals that are too ambitious and unrealistic, which can cause stress and demotivation. Therefore, risk and capacity assessments must be carried out to ensure goals remain challenging but achievable. Overall, by improving goal structure, fostering a supportive work culture, strengthening monitoring, and aligning goals with organization capacity, the SMART approach can make TQM truly effective and drive quality improvement across Malaysian organizations.
In conclusion, total quality management is an effective approach that helps organizations improve their processes, product, and overall performance. By focusing on continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and the involvement of all employees, TQM builds a strong culture of quality. It also encourages good leadership, teamwork, recognition, and responsibility.